The TrueClean ToteCleaner is the industry's first completely sanitary cleaning system dedicated to intermediate bulk containers. The system is built to the quality standards typical in the food, dairy, and beverage industries. Designed as a cost-effective solution, the TrueClean ToteCleaner is compact, mobile, and removes a variety of products, including thick, oily, or dried residues. Installation requires only one person and takes minutes to complete. The sanitary centrifugal pump on the system supplies pressure and flow to powerfully impinge product residue. The VFD is easy to use and includes a start and stop button, along with adjustable speed controls. The simplistic design allows the operator to rinse a tote and remove heavy soils, sending the grime straight to the drain, or recirculate the wash fluid to maximize chemical contact time and conserve water. Training for the TrueClean ToteCleaner is simple, and the system design is low maintenance. With multiple spray devices and options available, the TrueClean ToteCleaner can be tailored towards any application. Combining powerful equipment with innovative design, the TrueClean ToteCleaner is sure to remove product soils quickly and effectively. For more information, call Central States Industrial at 417-831-1411.